From all of us at 4KS Forklift Training, thank you for an incredible year. This year, we were honored to receive the Archies Award for Customer Service Excellence, adding to last year's win for Training Provider of the Year. Let's take a moment to relive that special night together. Thank you for helping us become two-time Archies Award winners. From Training Provider of the Year to this year's Customer Service Excellence Award, your trust and support mean everything to us. From centre-based courses to on-site programs across the UK, we've been proud to train thousands of operators, supported by real feedback from the people who matter most. It's been our privilege to support thousands of candidates and businesses across the UK.
My training at 4KS has been fabulously awesome. Have two great instructors who have been awesome, very helpful, very knowledgeable. I would like to give a big shout out to Drew and Aman. They've been very brilliant.
I've just completed my forklift training at 4KS Forklift Training. The instructors and everyone's polite, everyone makes you feel welcome when you come here. If anyone is recommended to do the forklift training, I advise you to come to this place. Over the last 4 days, it's been brilliant, no problems at all. The forklifts and everything mechanical wise, perfect. So yeah, thumbs up from me.
Well, gentlemen, what we're going to do next is we're going to wish everybody a happy festive season and a new year from Doug, an instructor at 4KS.
Happy holidays! Right, stop. Handbrake neutral. Right guys, I want to wish everyone happy holidays and a wonderful happy new year from Baby Shake and 4KS. All the best.